This TikTok page has gained over 146,000 followers in the mini rescue AI niche, and they've pulled insane numbers like 4 million, 7.4 million, and even 29 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself without spending a single dollar. Yeah, free. Your wallet can relax. So to get started, first head over to ChatGPT, then go to Explore GPTs in the left sidebar and search for Mini Rescue Generator. Then click this one. Inside the GPT, hit Start the Generator. Now it's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just say more if you want even more options. I'm going to type more because apparently my brain needs unlimited content ideas. As you can see, it instantly gives us 10 brand new rescue scenarios. Alright, for now I'm choosing number 4, many roads swallowed by sinkhole. Then the GPT will generate 2 things for you, an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you see this interface, select Image Generation Mode. Now choose your aspect ratio, the number of outputs, and the Nano Banana 2 model. Then paste your image prompt and hit send. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, our images are generated. And honestly, these look insanely good. Tiny AI workers risking their lives for absolutely zero pay is apparently peak entertainment now. Now for generating the video, head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, then go back to Google Flow AI and click Image to Animate. Paste your video prompt and hit send. And honestly, I really like this method because you don't even have to download the image separately just to generate the video. It makes the workflow way faster and smoother. Now, as you can see, our video is generated. Take a look at this preview. The animation looks super satisfying. The tiny rescue workers are insanely cute, and the whole thing is weirdly addictive to watch. Like, why are miniature AI humans fixing disasters more entertaining than Netflix right now? Here are some other videos I created using this exact same method. And yeah, that's basically the full workflow. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, AI Excentra, so you don't miss the next viral AI niche before everybody else starts copying it. I'll see you in the next video.